Hi everybody, this is Williams. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to Shenzhen International Gift Trade Show. Let's go.
你好，你们是自己工厂吗？
对。
你们工厂在哪儿呢？
工厂产品。
你们工厂员工目前多少人
？300多吧。
你们有做出口吗？
全部是出口。
全部出口。支持定制吗？
支持。
像这一个产品的话，批发价大概是多少？65人民币是吧？这边喷的是香气吗？香气吗？
这个是水加湿。
加湿器。
Alright, that's all for this video. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I will keep bringing you good products and factories in China. If you are interested in the products and the factory in this video, please let me know. I will get you through to them. As always, for now, take care.